Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog on my channel. It's 9:30 right now. Yes, I woke up pretty late today. Usually I wake up around this time only because I am no more a morning person. Initially I used to be when I was in my school years, but as of now I find night hours to be quite productive for me. So, yeah, I usually wake up at around this time only. So I thought, why not let's just vlog today's day because today I'm gonna have a very hectic schedule. So yeah, I thought of picking up the camera and vlogging it for you guys. So right now I'll go and get some green tea for myself and get started with this day. So while I sip on this hot cup of tea, I'm gonna read a book. It's called The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. So it was recommended by a very good friend of mine, which is why I thought of giving this piece a read. I'm already 54 pages done with this book and I shall read few more today. So basically many people ask me that what is my reading time, how do I manage to read so many books, how do I get time to read so many books, what are my reading hours and stuff. So to answer those questions I would say it varies. It really depends, like what mood I am in at that specific point of time, what tasks are meant to be done on priority basis. Like let's say if I have ample amount of time in my hand, then I would make sure that I at least read 50 to 60 pages for the day. But many a times it happens that I do not have enough amount of time in my hand, so naturally I would cut down the number of pages I would read. So for today, let's say if I do not have ample amount of time in my hand, then I would certainly cut down the number of pages and would read 20 to 30 pages max, and that's it. And then head on to complete other tasks which are meant to be done on priority basis. So this is how I manage my time usually, and I think this is how other every other booktubers manage their time. So, yeah, enough of talking now. I'll go and read few pages and then freshen up. Hi, so I managed to read 25 pages more from this book, and I think that's enough for today because I have some other works to do. So, if I get time at night, then I would consider reading few more from this book, but for the timing, it's enough. And now I'm feeling really hungry, so I'll go and grab my breakfast and then I'll take my shower and then think I'll study and yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Hi, so I took a very good shower and right now I'm on my terrace getting some sunlight, and I'll stay here for 10 minutes and then I'll head downstairs. I think I'll take a small nap and then resume my studies. Hi, so I woke up 10 minutes before and I am all dressed up right now because I have to shoot a video, so and probably edit it also by today. So right now I'm going to go and do a little bit of makeup and yeah, see you guys in a bit. So I filmed the video, guys. It was a review video which will go on my channel probably before this vlog, but I'm not really sure if this vlog will go first or the review video. Anyways, now I'm gonna go put off my makeup, relax a little bit, and then I'll think what can I do. Maybe I'll do some studies or I will write few content ideas. Let's say I'll do according to my choice. Hi, so I've relaxed a bit, watched some light TV, and now I'm thinking of scripting my YouTube content ideas. So, yeah. done with the scripting of one video idea, and now I'm really exhausted. I thought I would study few more pages from the book which I was reading in the morning, but today was such a busy day. I am not feeling like doing anything, so I think I would probably have my dinner and then go to sleep.